Anybody else needs healing? Yeah, what is your problem? Huh? Fear and anxiety. Fear and anxiety, okay. If I got a bucket of dirty water, okay, and I take a pipe of clean water flowing continuously, and I put it in the dirty water bucket, and I go for one round and come back, what will be the condition of the water in the bucket? Clear water. Why did it become clean? Because when the clean water went in, dirty water came out. In the same way, when the word of God or the teachings of the word of God gets in, your anxiety, fear, depression goes out. Because a person who is in depression cannot pray, because he is already captivated with the spirit of fear. But what he needs to do is take the teaching, plug it into his ears, and keep on hearing. The more and more he is hearing, okay, that fear is being flushed out.